So I'll just make this a little more obvious. 'Cause I get what I want and I want you to get with me. Don't think you know how far I'm gonna go. You can't stop this feeling. You can't run away. Baby, I'm what's on your mind. You can't stop this feeling. There's no escape. No sleep tonight. We won't get no sleep tonight. You want me all the time, and you don't need nothing else. But you seem to be a little oblivious. So I'll show you the way if you think that you need some help. Tell me, baby, are you coming with me? You can't stop this feeling. You can't run away. Baby, I'm what's on your mind. You can't stop this feeling. There's no escape. No sleep tonight. You won't get no sleep tonight. 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 No sleep tonight.
Oh, she shoots, she scores, goal! Nice kick.
Give it.
Very nice kick.
Ball. Raul, put me down.
Okay. Down, right. Oh, sorry. Oh, goodness. All right. Okay, you are really getting good.
Oh, you too. I mean, when we first started going out, you couldn't kiss at all.
I mean, it's soccer.
Oh, really?
Absolutely. You probably already better than half the guys on my team.
Probably more than half.
What do you mean I couldn't kiss at all?
Don't worry. I've taught you well.
I know. Ow! Okay, but seriously, don't you think you get more playing time at a school like Michigan?
Yeah, maybe, but it's always been about being a Tar Heel for me. I'm gonna wear that Carolina blue.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, what is the lacrosse team doing on our field?
The school cut our team.
Wait, what?
Not enough girls signed up.
What, so they just cut
We
us?
can't do that.
Okay, this is not over.
Hi, girls. I heard the bad news.
Bad? It's a disaster.
Now college scouts, they won't even get to see us play.
Yeah.
I know. If there's anything I can do, you just say the word.
As a matter of fact, there is. We want to try out for the boys' team.
Anything besides that?
Coach, come on. You know that we're good enough.
I, don't know that that's a thing that I know.
What? All we're asking for is one shot.
Come on.
Girls, we have 2 weeks before school starts. Then we open against Illyria, a rivalry game. We have to win.
And we can help you win.
Hey, baby.
Hey!
What's going on, Coach?
Girls here want to try out for the team.
You're not serious.
All right. Look, you're all excellent players, but girls aren't as fast as boys.
What?
Or strong, or as athletic. Hey, this is not me talking. It's a scientific fact. Girls can't beat boys. It's as simple as that.
Okay, well, Justin, you're the team captain. What do you think about it?
I think the coach said it all.
Yesterday, you told me that I was better than half the guys on your team.
I never said that.
What are you talking about? Why are you lying?
Well, end of discussion.
Fine. End of relationship.
Oh!
Come on, let's
Babe,
go.
don't be like that. I just don't want to see you get hurt.
You are so full of...
Back to practice.
All alone, where are you? Are we over? Something says.
Ow!
Ew, it's you. God, you and your brother look scary alike from the back. I think it's your total lack of curves.
Hi, Monique. It's so good to see you, too.
I'm looking for Sebastian. Where is he?
I don't know.
Just remind your brother how lucky he is to be in my life, and tell him to give me a call if he wants to stay in it, okay?
Okay. Does he have your number? 1-800-BIATCH? She will do great things.
I have a surprise for you.
And this is why I don't bring friends over. Mom, not now. I had a really bad day,
This is
so I
just the
don't...
thing to just perk you up. Now, hold on. All right, keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Eyes closed, eyes
Okay,
closed, closed,
okay.
closed, closed.
They're closed.
All right, surprise! Beautiful gowns for my darling debutante.
Mom, have I not told you 1,000 times I have no interest in being a debutante? It's totally archaic.
How could I wind up with a daughter who only wants to kick a muddy ball around a field all day?
Well, the world has been set right, Mom. They cut my team.
What, no soccer?
Yeah, that's right. No soccer.
How sad.
Yeah, I can see you're all torn up.
Well, Justin's gonna love you in this.
Yet another reason not to wear it. I dumped him.
What? Why?
I don't want to talk about it.
He's so handsome and rugged and chiseled and great.
Then why don't you date him, Mom?
No, I couldn't.
Hey, Sebastian.
Hey.
You okay?
Uh-huh.
Monique was looking for you. Why do you even date her anyway?
She's hot. It's a guy thing.
Ugh, but she's so awful. Hey, you know, you could use the front door.
And Mom can't see me. She thinks I'm staying at Dad's, Dad thinks I'm staying at Mom's. In 2 days, they both think that I'm going away to school. That is the beauty of divorce.
Wait, where are you going?
London for a couple of weeks.
As in London, England?
Yeah, my band got a slot in a music festival there.
Okay, what are you gonna do about school?
Yeah. I was kind of hoping you could help me with that. Could you just, like, pretend to be Mom, call Illyria, tell them I'm sick, something good that sounds like it would last for 2 weeks, like Mad Cow?
Sebastian, you just got kicked out of Cornwall for skipping. This is not exactly the way you want to start out.
Hey, I want to be a musician, okay? Last time I heard, they don't need to know trigonometry. And besides, if you want to chase your dreams, sometimes you gotta break the rules, right?
You know the percentage of bands that actually make it to the big time?
Probably the same as female soccer players. I will see you in 2 weeks.
Sebastian. Sebastian!
Were you just talking with your brother?
No. Yes? On the phone. He's at Dad's. Bye, Dad.
Picture this. We're at the country club. They call your name, and you emerge in this. Ta-da!
Ugh, no. Sorry, Mom. I have a strict no ruffles policy.
Sometimes I just think you just might as well be your brother.
You know what? If you can't join him, beat him.
You want me to turn you into your brother?
That's right. I'm going to Illyria Sebastian. I'm gonna make the boys' soccer team there, and then in 12 days, I'm gonna beat the Cornwall boys team.
That's right.
Okay, you've taken way too many soccer balls to the head.
You know I can do it, Paul.
Yeah, except for the voice and the mannerisms and the breasts and the mentality and...
Besides, it doesn't matter. Nobody at Illyria has even met Sebastian. They wouldn't know the difference.
They'll know he's a girl.
Oh, come on, Paul.
Yeah, come on, Paul.
Yeah, come on, Paul.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Who can turn the world on with a smile? Who can take a nothing day and suddenly make it all seem worthwhile? Well, it's you, girl, and you should know it. The
weeks.
No, you didn't, and you're not going. We've hardly spent any time together this summer. Now you just go upstairs and unpack.
Okay, Mom, I thought about what you said, and you know that Monique is gonna be there 24/7 with Sebastian, so I don't know. I was just thinking that maybe she could show me the ropes on the whole debutante thing.
This is so exciting. We're gonna have so much fun. Now there's the formal ball, of course, and the luncheon. And oh, did I mention the fundraiser next week? It's gonna be a carnival. Look out! Now, your brother promised to be there, so remind him when you see him, all right? Oh, my little girl. You're finally gonna be a lady.
Are you sure I can do this?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. What's up?
Oh my God, he knew. Come on, let's go.
He didn't know. He was being friendly. No, we're not going home. Just stop it. No, I did not spend all this time. My idea. You asked me. I was a good friend. I did your hair and your makeup, and that was not easy. That was not easy, Vi. You're being a girl. We're not going. Go. We're not going. Go. He was being friendly. Now, let's run through it one more time. Let me hear the voice.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sebastian.
Okay, now show me the strut. Now, Hakalugi. I'm so proud.
Get off me.
Remember, inside every girl, there's a boy. That came out wrong, but you know what I mean. Vi. Be a good boy.
I can do this. I am a dude. I am a hunky dude. I'm a badass hunky dude.
Hey! Hey! What up? You must be my roommates.
What's your name?
Sebastian Hastings.
Duke Orsino. Okay. This is Andrew and Toby. They live next door.
Yeah, freshman dorm's that away, Twiglet.
Seriously, how old are you?
I skipped a couple grades.
I'm brilliant. Shh.
Anyway, do you know when soccer tryouts start?
Noon. You play?
Absolutely. Center forward. You know it, brah. So, you play the beautiful game? Bro? Brothers? Brethren?
Yeah, I'm a striker. Andrew and Toby are halfbacks.
Sweet!
Okay, why do you have tampons in your boot?
I get really bad nosebleeds.
So you stick them up your nose?
Yeah. What? You You've never done that? Oh my, Beckham does it all the time.
Seriously?
Yes. Look, I'll just show you how to do it. Take that off and, or that is, and you stick it right in. It absorbs right up.
You kidding me? That's disgusting. Oh my God, your roommate's a freak.
Let's start the season how we finished the last. Sharp! What are you, the runt of the family? Okay. Shirts and skins.
Pardon me, sir. I have to be a shirt.
What?
I'm allergic to the sun.
You're allergic to the sun.
Very, very, very deathly allergic.
Well, we like to accommodate here at Illyria, so I'll follow you around with a parasol. All right, Nancy boy? You're a shirt. Okay, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hear me now, all massive soul time. Selector coming in on the dance. Sister D, Mr. C. Here we go. Jump out of your seat and make your body feel a bit. Move your hands and shuffle your feet. Cause the rhythm is nice tonight. Everybody have fun tonight. Move your body from side to side. Keep the rhythm and stay in time. Do the bump and wait a while. Party people, don't you waste no time. Jump up and everybody jump up. Lord, jump up if you're feeling good. Jump up if you're feeling right. Jump up if you're feeling good. And everybody get down tonight.
Get down, and move your body around. Everybody get down, get your feet up.
At ease, gentlemen. I've seen a lot of energy, commitment out there today. And that makes a coach proud. Now, I want to split us up into first string and second string. You second stringers, don't take it too hard. You're just as much part of this team as the first stringers. Apart from, of course, playing the game part. Shula. Hames. Potensky. Donna. Hastings. Second string. The rest of you, congratulations. First stringers. Now hit the showers.
Shower time.
Shower time?
Hastings! No shower for you.
Okay.
Principal Gold wants to see you in his office.
I'm over. It's done. They know. Sebastian's file. Could it be any bigger?
Mr. Hastings! Horatio Gold, headmaster. So very pleased to meet you. So very, very pleased.
Hello, sir. Heard you wanted to see me.
I'd like to say welcome. Welcome to Illyria. Welcome, 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 welcome to Illyria. I just wanted to have you in to say welcome. See how you're doing.
Yeah, I'm doing great. You know, just busy being a guy.
Being a guy. Yeah. Well, let's take a look at your file, Sebastian. And, seems to be stuck a bit. There we go. All right. Okay. Okay, you're busted. I know you don't want to sit here and talk to the headmaster, but I'm not going to take no for an answer. Now have a sit in the headmaster's chair. Come on, have a sit. Sit it. So, Sebastian Hastings. How do you like campus?
Beautiful.
You being inspired by the charcoal black and candy apple red?
You know it.
Hey! Don't touch it. Ever. Ever. Do not do that. You know, Sebastian, I was a transfer student myself. Once upon a time, back when dinosaurs roamed the earth. So I keep a special interest on the transfer students that come to this school. Act as a unofficial big brother. And don't be surprised if I don't just pop in unannounced from time to time just to check up.
Yeah, I look forward to it.
Now scoot!
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, don't worry about
My
it.
fault.
What is... Oh, getting to know the opposite sex, are we? Male-female dynamics, all that, sexual tension. It's all part of the high school experience. So continue, please. But keep it clean, though. Okay, abstinence is key. Abstinence is the best way to not is to not. Yes.
Is he always that friendly?
Are you kidding? That's him being rude.
Huh.
Right.
Ooh, cute shoes.
Oh, you think so? I got 'em in anthropology.
No way, they have shoes there?
Oh, yeah, right by the accessories.
Huh. Here are your books.
Thanks.
Well, I guess I, go take care of some guy stuff.
Okay.
There you go. Have a great apple and sandwich.
Hi, I would love a...
No.
But...
Hey, dudes, mind if I join? Thanks. So those soccer tryouts were bogus, huh? I mean, second string, come on, that's ridiculous. Am I right? Am I right? So the game against Cornwall, that should be interesting, huh?
And why would that be interesting?
Well, my sister goes there, and she used to date that tool Justin Drayton.
I know him. I made him cry once during a game.
Wait, that was you?
Absolutely. That was so funny.
Wow.
Is your sister hot?
I guess so. She's got a great personality.
Ew.
Incoming.
Oh, yeah. Check out the booty on that blondie.
Uh-oh. Don't talk about her that way.
Oh, that's your girlfriend?
He wishes.
Until recently, she was dating this college guy, but he dumped her, and I hear she's a total mess right now, like really vulnerable. Confidence, self-esteem is way down.
In man words, it's time to pounce.
Exactly. Oh, I hate that guy.
Did you know bologna is 38% hoof?
Thanks. Welcome.
Uh-oh. Looks like you got some competition.
It's just Malcolm.
Total geek.
She looks so sad. It's heartbreaking. It just, I can relate, you know? I mean, I just got out of a bad relationship, too. You think you know someone, and you realize it's all been a big lie. Every touch, every kiss. Plus, you know, you can never get chicks to shut up. All right, guys, catch up with you later. Empty shower. Yes. I get to take a shower. I get to take a shower. Whoa.
Malcolm Festes, dorm director. Shower shoes are to be worn in the bathroom at all times except when in the actual shower. Did you not read your dorm life pamphlet? It was in your cubby.
Oh! Sup, dawg?
Yeah, okay, homie.
Later.
Hey, you forgot this, Coolio?
Word, G-Money.
Okay, Hastings, you're up! Hastings, are you deaf? Come on, let's go! Get your butt out there! Come on! Get on!
Come on, baby. Come on. Rise and shine.
Let go!
Welcome to hell! Gentlemen, let me present this year's soccer newbie!
But first, you must remove your clothes! Remove your clothes! Remove your clothes! Take your thing! You remove your clothes! Remove your clothes! Remove your clothes! You remove your clothes! Take your thing! Right now!
Hello, my life sucks.
I'm done.
What?
Everybody thinks I'm a huge geek loser deviant. I'll never even see the field against Cornwall, and I smell so bad. I'm convulsing people. Pick me up, take me home, and make sure I never do anything like this again.
Look, Vi, I don't know what to tell you about the whole soccer team. But as for the social stuff, I got an idea.
You do?
Yeah. We're gonna show everybody the man that you really are.
How are we gonna do that?
Go, Viola.
High five. Nice.
Man, look who's here.
Fuck's him, mama.
Don't look at him. Maybe he won't see us.
Yeah, spread out so it looks like we got no room.
Sup?
Sup?
Go, Kia.
Hey, Sebastian.
Oh, Kia. Hey, girl. How you doing, baby?
Not the same without you.
I know. I'm sorry. New school, new baby pool.
I miss you, Sebastian. I've been thinking about you a lot. Especially at night.
Sweet.
And late.
Even better.
Okay, did she just say that to Sebastian?
What just happened?
Sebastian.
Okay, big mournful sigh. Bittersweet farewell. You're his plaything, baby. You're his plaything.
Really great to see you, Sebastian. Call me anytime.
I'd tap that.
Thank you, Kia. You're gorgeous. And go, Yvonne.
Women.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Sebastian, is that you?
Hey, what's going on, Yvonne?
Okay, who's this one then?
I mean, our school lost its top gun, Sebastian Hastings.
Well, time comes for a man to move along, Yvonne.
I know, Sebastian. In the end, I wasn't woman enough for you.
No, you weren't.
And that's just something I'll always have to live with. It just hurts, that's all.
Love is pain.
Just know, I'll never forget you, Sebastian. Ever!
Need it.
Okay. We might need to do a little reevaluating here.
Yeah.
Hey there, pretty lady.
Ew. But what are you, hitting on me?
I was just...
Yeah. Okay, let me put a stop to that little brain fart right now. Girls with asses like mine do not talk to boys with faces like yours. I'm looking for my boyfriend, Sebastian Hastings. Have you guys seen him? Sebastian?
Not good. Don't let her get too close, she'll recognize you.
What am I gonna do?
Sebastian! Keep away from me!
I beg your pardon?
Pretty ladies. Okay, you know what? Don't come any closer, Monique. It's over.
What are you talking about?
I don't want to talk to you, crazy.
Sebastian, come back here!
You're hot, Monique. Smoking hot.
Come here!
But there are plenty of hot girls out there.
Come back here and talk to me
And
right
the
now.
truth is, you have absolutely nothing else to offer. And when my eyes are closed, I see you for what you truly are, which is ugly. We're done.
You the man! What's wrong with you guys? Scoot over and make some room for the man.
All right.
Oh, damn. You're officially my idol now, man.
Oh, there he is.
What's up, brothers?
Hey, Sebastian.
Lovelies. Holla at your boy.
Yo, Sebastian, excuse me. Can you get out of my way right now? I need your advice, man. I got lady troubles.
I'm here for you, bro. Got a lifetime of knowledge.
So how long did you date that girl for anyway?
Too long. Ball and frickin' chain, man.
Dude.
Justine. Chick won't stop dogging me, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God, she's in our class.
Dude, quit blushing.
That's lame.
Shut up, I'm not blushing.
Everyone, please take a slip and read off the name of your lab partner.
Eunice Bates? You gotta be kidding me.
Be nice.
Yeah. She got a little something, something.
Yeah, Aspen headgear.
Olivia Lennox.
Oh, you know her?
Talked to her for like a second.
About what? She gave you the nod.
Yeah,
dude.
she did a good one, too.
Yeah, she gives good nod.
Could everybody please calm down?
I can't believe you got her as a lab partner. Hey, switch with me. Switch with me.
I can't. I said her name out loud.
Some guys just walk in the light, you know?
Hello again. Hello. I don't think we introduced ourselves before. I'm Sebastian. Olivia.
I'm gonna be the best lab partner you ever had.
Cool.
I gotta be completely honest. The whole dissecting thing kind of freaks me out. So, I think you may have to take the reins on this one.
Wow. Most guys would never admit that.
Oh, crap. You're right.
No, don't worry. I think it's refreshing.
You do?
No paper near the Bunsen burner?
Oh, wait. What's this? Poems? Lyrics. They're his... My old stuff.
Wake up. I've been waiting for you. Those are really good. So honest.
I know. I keep telling him myself.
I write songs too, Olivia.
Really, Malcolm? That's wonderful.
Hey, check it out. I see you through your window while I'm standing on a tree outside.
You sit. You, go. Go. Did you say anything about me?
No, was I supposed to?
Come on. This is perfect. You get to spend an hour with her every other day. You can convince her to go out with me.
Dude, she had that option for like 3.5 years.
Okay, I'll tell you what. You do this, I'll work with you on your soccer. I'll make you good enough to make first string.
By the Cornwall game?
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah. You got a deal.
You're the man.
Yes, I am.
Saga, 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 now, now.
That's right. Testing. 1, 2. Yeah, check it. Brace yourself, consumer. The gallon sugar and the fish named tuna combine to bring unity and intellect. Check the style. Extra. International. This is the music we are putting out. And everything is alright. The music we were talking about.
We make the dance all night. From east, west, north, and south. Come on. Left to the flow coming from my mind. Listen to the words that we are saying now.
Yeah, push up your hand in the air like this, baby. Face to face and embrace your history. We got the recipe to erase the treachery. Repping the south side of Chi-Town to the death of me. We paper convey, you're safer to say. We crumble up your crew like they was paper mache. The vapor we spray, make your fakers delay. Power to give props, we can take it away. Yeah, you never catch me with no lame girl home. The fish boys is deeper than James Earl Jones. Me and Beatty Man, we one in the same world zone. Fire burn a vampire as the game twirls on. Yeah.
The music we are putting out, and everything is alright. If you don't like the music, I won't show you out. We make the dance all night. From east, west, north, and south. Come on. Left to the flow coming from my mind. Listen to the words that we are saying. Show me go so John, take a look up on your watch. What? The real man of dance all return back. Hotter than that, yeah, trasher than trash. Can't fast no blood clot and fresh and hot. Anyway, this funk, that funk, neither you either. This bad man, your life is in splendor. The my lyrics are burn you like ginger. Clap you like lightning, shake you like thunder. For your DJ, I don't fear. Enough of them a bad man, yes, but I don't care. Bet me, you think I young go there to Afghanistan, I kill a sound there.
Over.
Oh, right. Ow! Oh, for the love of God! It burns!
It just isn't fair, Malvolio. I wait 3 years for Olivia, and then some transfer student comes in, and suddenly she's acting like some obsessed, love-struck teenager. I'm not gonna take that lying down, Malvolio. Yeah, I know. You're absolutely right. I'll do some digging, I'll find out what it is, and I'll nip his chances with Olivia right in the bud. What's that? Oh, yeah, sure, a walk. Sorry, come on. You are so smart.
Hello?
Miss me?
Hey, what's going on?
What's wrong with your voice?
Oh, I just have a little bit of a cold, so I'm still a little phlegmy.
Did you call me school?
Yeah, I did. It's all taken care of. Just make sure you're back by the 12th.
It was so cool, Vi. We went on a couple days early, and the crowd flipped for us. They wanted an encore, so we did one of my songs acoustically. They went nuts for my lyrics.
Oh, that's so cool.
And you were right about Monique. She's history.
Oh, she really is, isn't she?
Oh, but I gotta go, though. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Trouble with your wig, Hastings?
No, I have a scalp condition.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I really do. It's, really acting up.
No, you don't. You've got male pattern baldness. Scoot over, kiddo. Now, I don't know if you've realized, but recently I've started to thin out myself, and I've tried all the creams and the butters, and I still can't seem to stop Mother Nature's vindictive fury, and neither can you. Okay, there's gonna be a time when you're gonna have to come out of the closet and just accept yourself for who you are. A baldy. Okay, but it's gonna be all right, okay? Oh, and between you and me, chicks dig it. Rouse. Hang 10.
Hi, Olivia. I don't want you to be worried, but Malvolio's missing.
Oh, no.
Yeah. If you see him, don't feed him. He has an irritable bowel.
Yeah, because that would be my very first instinct, to feed the tarantula.
Been a wild idea. Have you ever thought about going out with Duke Orsino? I see that.
Duke?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah?
No! I mean, he's good looking and everything, but he's just not the guy for me.
I don't know. I think there may be more to him than you think there is.
Okay, so you're telling me he's not just another dumb jock who wants to hook up with me so he can tell all of his friends,
But too insecure to treat you as an equal?
Exactly.
Tell me about it.
You know, I think you're the first guy at the school who hasn't tried anything with me.
Trust me, you're not my type.
Well, why not?
You know, it's just, I don't think of you in that way. We're friends, you know.
Mm.
You're actually one of the few people here that I feel comfortable around.
I feel the same way about you.
Good. Then just take my advice. go out with Duke.
I'll consider it.
So, what is that exactly?
I think that's the spleen.
Okay, who's your daddy?
Huh?
I got her to agree to consider you. You're halfway in, man.
Oh, okay. So should I ask her out?
No, you don't want to freak her out. You gotta have a casual conversation first. Hello. Why do I get the feeling you don't do this very often?
Man, I'm not really good at talking to girls.
Why? You're hot.
What?
You know, you're an appealing guy, man. Guy, man.
Look, I don't know. I just always say the wrong thing.
Okay. All right, come on. Let's get up. I want to try something where I'm gonna act like a girl, and you're gonna talk to me, okay?
Ew, do I have to?
Yes. Because I'm Viola. Duke, nice to meet you.
Okay, that was creepy. You really just sounded like a girl just then.
I used to imitate my sister all the time. I got really good at it. Come on. And get up. Come on. Ask me some questions, and if the chemistry's right, things will just start flowing.
Questions about what?
Anything. Ask me if I like cheese.
Okay. Do you like cheese?
Well, why, yes, I do. My favorite's Gouda.
Oh, I like Gouda too.
See?
See what?
We're flowing.
We're talking about cheese.
So what? Flow is flow.
What? What's that? What is that? It touched me. It touched me.
Get it!
You get it!
You're the guy! The bigger guy! So Sorry!
You don't ever do that girl voice again. Freak me out.
My bad.
Sebastian, honey, this is your mother. I'm just calling to remind you about the carnival tomorrow. You and your sister promised you'd both be there. Bye-bye.
Crap! Forgot about that.
Wait, your mom's in Junior League?
Yeah, how'd you know?
So is mine. I gotta go too.
Oh, but I can't deal with this right now. I have soccer to worry about.
Not gonna be that bad. Olivia's gonna be there. It's a perfect opportunity for me to lay some groundwork.
Oh, Olivia's gonna be there. And my sister. And Monique. And you. And my mom. Great.
Jab toss. Hey, dude! I will cut you, man.
All right, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I never really liked carnivals.
Hey, I'm working the kissing booth. Come see me.
I love carnivals.
Hey, dude, where you going?
Where do you think I'm going?
Uh-oh.
What's up?
Oh, nothing. Just my psycho ex, so I don't really want to deal with her. So if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna lay low for a little while.
All right, cool. Catch you later.
Okay.
I see a kitten gasping for air.
Oh, sorry, pretty urgent. Oh. It's all yours.
Hi, Mom. Oh, you look like such a lady. It's a miracle.
It really is.
So Monique's getting you all excited about being a debutante, huh?
Super duper excited.
Have a good carnival. Oh, my little Petunia, where do you think you're going? You have the next shift at the kissing booth. And where's your brother? He's late for the cotton candy cart.
I'm gonna go look for him. Ow, sorry.
You.
Wait, do I know you?
No. Excuse me.
Viola! Hey! Where you been? I've been calling and calling. I miss you. We need to talk.
We've talked, Justin. All the talking is done.
Like, No one breaks up over a stupid soccer issue, okay? Can you just be a girl for 5 seconds, huh?
For 5 seconds? Okay, first of all, it's not a stupid soccer issue, and you're a jerk. Oh, look at that! Time's up! Excuse me, sorry. One, please.
Stay in school.
Sebastian? Sebastian! Sebastian!
Monique's behind me.
We're on it. Excuse me. No one over 8 years old is allowed inside the moon bounce.
But I just saw my boyfriend go in there. I believe the correct term is ex-boyfriend. No relationship is over until I say it is. Understand?
Whatever. You're still not getting on that moon bounce.
Fine. What's that?
Kia, don't look. She's gone.
Thank you.
So are we, having fun?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think it's gonna be like?
Duke, you look at me. I know it's gonna be really, really special. But she's only kissed like 350 guys at this point.
I just think we need to acknowledge the moment. After 4 years, Duke is finally gonna fulfill his destiny. Life is good. Life is fair. Life is just.
Hi, I'm your relief.
And yet?
Thank God.
I can't catch a break.
Beware of the old guy chewing gum. It's not gum. Ugh. Do I know you?
No.
Huh.
It's just my luck. No. I mean, I didn't mean it like that. It's just, you know, she's, you know, no. Okay. I mean, on the other hand, you're, you know, also.
I am? Thanks, I guess.
Yeah.
You don't have to flirt with her first, okay, genius? You're paying for it.
Why don't you just relax? I don't know, maybe I should kiss you now. I gave that girl my ticket and I waited in line.
Well, it's the least I can do.
Okay, here I go. Okay, I think that was one ticket's worth.
No, I get a little bit more. Excuse me? The hotel's across the street?
Viola, what the hell is this?
Back in the line, buttball.
Excuse me, doofus. You're making out with my girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend.
Oh, you're Sebastian's sister?
And you're about to die.
What are you gonna do, drown me in your tears?
I did not cry during that game. I had something in my eye.
Okay, you know what, guys? Can we, just dial it down and just step away, okay?
You know what, she's right. I'm gonna see you on the soccer field and we'll settle this all then.
Okay, Duke. Or we can straighten it out right here.
were you at today? You just disappeared.
Ran into my psycho ex, had to bolt. Oh my God! Is that a...
What? Oh, yeah. I hope you don't mind. I kind of borrowed one of your... Yeah, and you're right, by the way. These things actually work.
Oh my God, you're bleeding. Are you okay? I mean, suck it up. Be a man and rub some dirt in it.
Okay, I'll rub some dirt on it.
So, what happened?
I got into it with your sister's ex.
Wait, really? Why?
He saw me and her kind of making out at the kissing booth.
Wait, you kissed her?
Yeah, man, I hope that's okay. It was for charity.
Oh, no. I mean, dude, if you want to kiss her, you go right ahead and you kiss her. I mean, knock yourself out. I mean, you take her and then kiss her and then kiss the crap out of her.
Okay.
So, do you like her?
I don't know. Can we not talk about this? I don't know if she's your sister. It's kind of weird.
No, right. Just, I was just thinking that you liked her, then maybe you should ask her out.
And just, I don't know, forget about Olivia?
Well, I mean, speaking as a completely objective third-party outsider with absolutely no personal interest in the matter, I am not sure that you and Olivia really mesh well together, I mean, but you and Viola, be magic.
I don't know.
What does your heart tell you?
Huh?
I mean, which one would you rather see naked?
Why do you always do that? Why do you always talk about girls in such graphic terms? Huh? You know what? You have issues.
You're a really sensitive guy, aren't you?
What? No. No, it's just... I don't know. I just think that in a relationship should be more than just the physical stuff. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong. That stuff's important, but I don't know. When I'm with someone, I want to be able to talk about other stuff. Like, I don't know, serious stuff. Stuff I can't talk about, with anyone else.
Yeah, like, what kind of stuff?
I don't know, just stuff, like, whatever stuff there is.
Like, this kind of stuff?
Yeah. But what I just told you is for your ears only. If you tell anyone, I'll kick your ass.
Yeah, no. I got your back, man. It's cool.
How's your sister?
Woo! Good. Why?
I don't know. I kind of was thinking I might ask if she wanted to grab dinner at Cesario's tonight.
You were? Really? I'd love to.
What?
I'd love to give her your phone number.
Hastings!
Yeah, Coach.
Your first string for the Cornwall game.
Really?
No. I was joking, you idiot. Dude, to toss.
Dude.
So you want me to spot you?
No.
Isn't he cute?
Duke? Yeah.
No, Sebastian, he's so cool. But he said I'm not his type.
But that's impossible. You're everyone's type.
Not his.
I could tell you what us mere mortals would do in this situation.
What?
Make him jealous.
So what do? You just pretend to like somebody else?
Mm-hmm. And then use him shamelessly.
Wow.
So you should call Viola up.
Yeah, I think I will.
Hey, Duke. Sebastian.
Olivia?
Olivia?
What are you bench pressing these days, Duke? 225. Very impressive.
Thanks.
So Duke, about that call that you're gonna make? You can make that?
Yeah, thank you.
So how many reps can you do with that 225?
Like 20.
225 is more than twice what I weigh. How many reps could you do with me?
40. Hello.
Hi, it's Viola. Sebastian told me to call you. I'd love to go to dinner.
Yeah, what? Yeah, can I call you back? Cause I gotta change my feet.
So, do you have any plans tonight?
Oh, my bad. What about the thing that talked about that you were gonna do later?
What thing? I'm thingless.
Great. Then it's a date. Cesario's, 8 o'clock. I'll see
Okay.
you there. Bye, Sebastian.
Later.
Yeah. You did it. I'm going out with Olivia.
What the hell? I thought you liked Viola now.
Dude, come on. You're a guy. What would you do? Hottest girl in school came up to you and asked you on a date.
Right back. Olivia? Hi. Can I talk to you for a second?
Moi? Whatever for?
It's about your date with Duke.
Oh, I know. I'm so glad I listened to you. You're right. He's awesome. And he looked so good in those shorts. Woo!
He's not a piece of meat, Olivia. He's a man with feelings.
And I'm a woman with feelings, and my feelings seem to match his.
You know what? Speaking as a completely objective third-party observer with absolutely no personal interest in the matter, I'm not so sure that you and Duke are a good idea after all.
Well, thank you for your concern. And if you're so worried, maybe you should come to Cesario's tonight, just to keep an eye on me. We could double. I bet Eunice is available.
I'm so there, it's insane.
So, do you like cheese?
Hey, you two, what's going on?
You're here. With Eunice.
Mind if we join?
No. Here.
Lady Pterodactyl.
Waiter! So, I was just telling Duke how great it is to meet a real man at this school.
You were?
Well, I was just about to. Isn't it great to have a real man around, Eunice?
Oh, yes.
A real man is difficult to find.
So difficult.
Sebastian's with Eunice.
She must be harder than I thought she was.
Okay, how come when I wanted to ask out Eunice, everyone made fun of me? But now Sebastian likes her and suddenly she's cool? Screw you guys, I hate high school.
Eunice, hands! Right, you know what? This has been real fun, but I have to go shave.
Okay. Well, this has been lovely. Let's do it again sometime.
What?
Soon. Bye.
So, do you like cheese?
More than almost any other animal byproduct.
Yeah, check please.
Hey, Monique, it's Sebastian. I don't know if Viola told you I'm in London, but I'm heading home a day early. Listen, I've been thinking, and we really need to talk.
Ladies! Ladies. Welcome. My name is Cheryl Lancaster, and I'm president of the Stratford Junior League and coordinator of this year's debutante season. Oh, please. Thank you. Today, we're going to go over the guidelines for a graceful, ladylike entree into society.
Son of a... Hello? Hello there.
Make sure she's in the back for the group photo.
Thank you for joining us, Viola. Now, who's ready to come out?
Kill me.
Viola, darling. Remember, chew like you have a secret. Ladies.
Hi. Hey. Hey! You're the one that saved me in the kissing booth that one time, right?
Oh! Hi.
Hi.
What a small world. I'm Viola.
Olivia.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
So, oh. No, it's none of my business, but you went out with that Duke Orsino guy, right?
Yeah. Once.
Did you kiss him?
No? Why?
Oh, no. It's nothing, but ugh. Just try to postpone it as long as possible. He has this, salivary gland condition. Yeah. He doesn't really like to talk about it, but felt like I was drowning.
Really? Oh my god, ew.
I know. It was repulsive. But hey, every happiness to you both.
No, actually, I don't really like Duke. I have this huge thing for his roommate, Sebastian, and I was just trying to make Sebastian jealous.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I know it's really wrong to use a person this way, and I feel really terrible about it, but I really, really like Sebastian. He's so handsome, and he's not the goonish kind of handsome you see in a lot of guys. He's a delicate, like even refined handsome, you know? Oh, and when he smiles, I just can't stop looking at him. He's just so wonderful.
You know, Olivia. It's Olivia, right?
Yeah.
I want to give you, just a little advice.
Okay.
Enough is enough! You are weaving a really tangled web.
Yeah, like really, really tangled.
And, honey, you gotta stop, okay? So you just gotta tell everybody the truth, be very, very honest, just let the chips fall where they may.
You're right.
I know.
The next time I see Sebastian, I am gonna march right up to him.
You march!
And I'm gonna tell him how I feel.
You tell him!
And then I'm gonna kiss him so passionately that even the people he hates will feel pleasure.
Hello, Viola.
Oh, this is not good.
And hello to you, little homewrecker.
Who are you?
I am Sebastian's girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend.
Okay, everybody's gotta stop saying that.
Oh, you were the one he dumped in the pizza parlor the other day.
No. He did not dump me. We're just going through a little bit of a rough patch.
Oh, I heard he dumped you. He dumped you big. It was just like a big, huge dumping.
Crazy? You okay? Oh, good. Ow!
Oh, you are messing with the wrong man.
When debutantes disagree, they say it with their eyes. Viola Hastings, why is it that I always find you in the middle of a tussle?
Bad timing?
I'm convinced he's hiding something.
Oh, nonsense, Malcolm. He may be a little lost and confused, but deep down, he's an all-American, red-blooded male, just like yourself.
Mom, I will pick out my own dress. And no, I will not wear heels. Because heels are a male invention designed to make a woman's butt look smaller. And to make it harder for them to run away.
Malcolm, have you ever tried to run away in high heels?
No, sir.
Not that easy. Not that easy.
Don't forget your guitar, Mr. Hastings.
Just do it. Just close your eyes and kiss him. Sebastian. Wake up. I've been waiting for you to open your eyes so I can tell you that I think I'm ready. I'm ready to free fall into the unknown. I'll see you at the game tomorrow.
I think I'm gonna like this school. Hey, Monique, it's Sebastian. I don't know if Viola told you I'm in London, but I'm heading home a day early. Listen, I've been thinking, we really need to talk.
London?
Oh! Hey, brother. Dingle's just looking for you, man. Dude. Hello?
You know, it's crazy how wrong you can be about a person. It's crazy to me. It's just, you know, you think that they're one thing, and then they turn out to be the exact opposite.
Okay, what are you talking about?
You're gonna sit there and act like you don't know what I'm talking about?
Okay. All right. Okay. I wanted to tell you, Duke, but you have to know. I love soccer more than anything else in the world, and I had a point to prove.
What? So you're telling me that you use me to help you with soccer, and then you're gonna turn around and stab me in the back?
Wait, what? Now I really don't even know what you're talking
You know
about.
what? Save it, man. Look, I saw you with her.
With who?
Oh, Olivia, that's who. I saw you kissing her when you got out the cab, man.
Cab? What cab?
We were supposed to be friends.
We are
No, you don't even know the meaning of the word.
Okay,
No,
Olivia
you don't
never
even know-
liked you, okay? She was just using you to make me jealous. But Viola, she's crazy about you, and she has been since the first moment that you
Oh,
kissed
yeah?
her.
I bet that's part of your little plan. Distract me so you can move in right next to Olivia.
No, that is not what happened.
No, you and your sister have a good life.
Dude!
The Hastings twins couldn't be more opposite. Twins?
Sebastian?
Sebastian?
Sebastian, open up! It's Monique. You have got a lot of explaining to do, followed by a very long night of groveling.
He's not here. Take his stupid cell phone. Justine calls you every 10 seconds.
This isn't Sebastian's phone. Sebastian! Sebastian! Ew, ew.
Can I help you?
Hello?
Viola, hey, baby, it's Justin. You know the big game's tomorrow.
Viola.
Allow me to introduce myself.
2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Nice night, 2008.
Hey, Eunice. Sorry about running out on our date the other night.
Oh, that's okay. My intensity scares some people. Something wrong?
Got thrown out of my room.
You mean you need a place to sleep?
I really do. The Cornwall game is tomorrow.
I've never had a roommate before.
Wow. Vi, you set up all my stuff. Thanks.
So we gotta get it right, but we always get it wrong. And it be the same old thing, and it be the same old song. Trying to fight to survive, trying to fight for our lives. So I'm only trying to live, I don't wanna say we.
And you're absolutely certain about this?
Yes, sir. We are.
Dude, what are you doing? Sebastian, the game's about to start. Get out of bed and go over to the soccer field, man.
Soccer game? That's what that girl was talking about.
Sebastian, you're next. Hurry up.
Come over here and I'll do you.
Okay, ladies, listen up. Where's Hastings?
Ah! Eunice! Why didn't you wake me?
You looked so serene. I made breakfast, darling.
Pardon me. Pardon me. What is the big emergency? I canceled my squash game for this.
I don't know. All the Principal Gold said was that we were needed at Sebastian's soccer game. Hasn't Viola said anything to you the past couple of weeks?
How should I know?
She's been living with you. Hasn't she?
Excuse me.
So exciting, guys.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the biggest rivalry in our district is afoot. Illyria versus Cornwall. It's going to be something else, and the atmosphere is crazy.
Afternoon, gentlemen. Handshake, please. All right, your call.
Heads.
Heads it is.
Let's stay as we are.
Good game, gentlemen.
How's your jaw?
All right, let's get it up. Get it up. Come on.
Let's go, boys. Listen to me. We can do this. Today is the day that Cornwall beats Illyria.
Yeah. I ain't got much to say to you. Except for who's gonna bring that blood and pain?
Black and red! Yeah. This ain't gonna be no game. This is a war.
Yeah! Who's gonna bring that blood and pain? 1, 2, 3, Cornwall!
What the hell is going on?
Nice move, Mora.
Wait, what? This can't be happening. Sebastian?
Get up and get back in here. Get the ball.
Oh my God, this is my game.
What the hell am I doing here? This isn't fun.
Right, you like Bambi on Ice, boy?
Sebastian! Sebastian!
Can I get a timeout, please? A pause? One brief, halftime, if there's...
Stopping the clock?
Yeah, that's it. Stop the clock.
What
I'm
the?
sorry, I don't, the technical lingo. Armadillos, fighting armadillos, please. Ready, gather, round. I played soccer once as a young man. Or was it chess?
Is there a problem, Principal?
Yes, unfortunately, there is. But I think it's only right that Sebastian Hastings tell you himself. Sebastian? Son? Or do you have anything you'd like to say?
I'm sorry, I'm not a very good soccer player.
I see. Well, then, please know that what I say with a heavy heart. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed alumni, friends and family of Sebastian Hastings, I am grievously sad to inform you that Sebastian Hastings is a girl. I'm sorry, it's for your own good. You'll thank me for it someday. We'll have a good... Oh, okay, certainly, yeah.
Excuse me? I'm not a girl.
Oh, hello, yes. In fact, yes, he is. He's a big girl. He's actually specifically his own sister Viola, who's been impersonating him for reasons which will become very clear after extensive psychoanalysis.
Folks, I'm a boy. I promise.
Prove it.
Okay.
Oh, God, I saw it.
Nice work, Paul.
That's my boy. Helen, close your eyes.
Soccer is the world's favorite sport.
Thank you, thank you. Nothing to see here. No offense. Folks, please, hang on for 1 second. Just talk amongst yourselves for a second. Malcolm! Can you shed some light on the current situation?
Not any more than has already been shed, sir.
Okay, lads, listen up now. Now that we've established this boy is a boy, is it possible we can get back to our game?
Yes. Oh, enjoy. That was a skit okay, yes.
Let's get to it, guys. Come on.
Baby. Baby. I have missed you so much.
Oh my God, we are both so dead.
We're over. Monique, done.
God, not again!
Work, Hastings. Bench.
Vi? Why do you look like me?
I pretended to be you for the last 2 weeks so I could prove that I could play in the boys' soccer team.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, cool. No, wait, what?
I don't have time to explain this to you right now. Why are you wearing my uniform?
I just came here to find the amazing girl that kissed me last night.
Wait, who kissed you? What girl?
Check it out. That one.
Olivia?
She was all over me. She kissed me and then recited my own lyrics. Vi, this may be the girl of my dreams.
That's the kiss that Duke saw.
Wait, are those real?
Oh, yeah, I'm growing sideburns now. No. Okay, please stay hidden until the end of the game and give me my uniform back right now.
And ladies and gentlemen, we start the second half. Illyria 0, Cornwall 0. Nothing but a couple of goose eggs.
Coach, I'm ready to play.
Is that what you call it? I've seen little girls in tutus kick the ball better than you.
I changed. Come on, Coach, give me one more chance.
All right, go. Kick. Kill!
Yeah! Now that's Viola.
Hey, you couldn't score me on the first half. They can score me this half, baby. I'm ninja. Ninja goalie.
Come on, guys.
Cornwall's right back in it with the goal.
What's the matter with you, man? Sebastian was wide open. You're gonna lose the goal and let him score? Shut up, man.
Dude, I know you're mad at me.
Don't talk to me,
You know
man.
what? I didn't do what you
Get out of my
did.
face.
Nothing is going on with me and Olivia. When the game is over, I'll explain everything to you. But for right now, you don't have to like me, but I'm your teammate, okay? And I want to beat these guys. I have to beat these guys.
Fellas, if we're not disturbing you, we have a little soccer game we'd like to finish. Get back in the net, man.
Oh, what? You gonna hit my fist with your face
You
again?
want to see me do it?
Get out. Let's go.
Dude, come on. Stop it. Come on. Dude, stop it. Sebastian! Dude, stop it. Come on.
Okay, if you want a roughhouse, please take it at least 500 yards away from
Break
the
it up!
ground in that
Break it
region.
up! Get out! Okay, tough guys. You want a box? Get out of my stadium. Otherwise, get on with the game, all right?
Come on now, armadillos of Illyria.
That goes for the rest of you. Now get on and play some real football. A bunch of girls.
Okay, the rest of you, let's get on and play some real football like a bunch of girls, all right? I mean, it's not football, it's soccer. That's what we call it in the States.
Sebastian! Are you okay? No, Olivia, not now.
Yeah, why don't you try to tell me again how there's nothing going on between you and
There is
Olivia?
nothing going on between me and Olivia. What about last night? I didn't lie to you, Duke. I did, but not about this. Here's the truth. I love you.
Huh?
I beg your pardon?
What? All right, what do you... That's just a little weird.
Okay, you know what? I can't do this anymore. Everybody, I have something to tell you. I'm not Sebastian. I'm Viola.
Wait. You're not Viola.
Yes, I am.
No, I know Viola. I kissed Viola.
You kissed me.
What are you talking about? I didn't kiss you.
The girls' team at Cornwall got cut, and the guys wouldn't let me go out for their team. So, I've been pretending to be my brother while he was in London for the past 2 weeks. Ow. So I could make the team and beat Cornwall. But my brother came home early, and that's who you saw kissing Olivia, and that's who played the first half.
Just because you wear a wig doesn't prove you're a girl.
Okay, then.
There it is.
Oh, merciful Jesus.
Is it just me, or does this soccer game have more nudity than most?
All right, so everybody understand?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Wait a minute. If I kissed your brother, where is he?
He's probably halfway to China by now. He showed his Willis and Doodleberry.
Present.
Oh, hi.
What the?
Okay, this is freaking me out.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say I told you so, but I just... Ow.
See, Duke, I didn't betray you. I'm sorry. This isn't how I wanted it to happen, and I didn't want to hurt you, but I just wanted to prove that I was good enough. All I'm asking for is a chance. Duke?
It's just like what Coach says before every game. Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. I think the best chance for us to be great here today is to have you play.
No! Playing. You have to forfeit. There's no girls in this league. Here, look in the manual.
What manual? Listen, pal. You and Illyria, we don't discriminate. Based on gender.
All right. That's gonna bruise. Fine. You really think you can beat us with a girl on your team?
This should be fun.
Go. I get to say the last word, not you. Go.
Okay, team. Let's go, kick, go!
Well, folks, this is a real nail-biter. It's a tie score at the bottom of the second half. And the penalty kick will decide the game!
Where are you gonna kick it? Right here, aren't you? I know you're gonna kick it there. When your head, you see the goal, it's getting smaller, and I'm getting bigger. Concentrate. Don't kick like a girl. Guys are better. Not gonna happen. You're a loser. This is mine. You're pathetic. I'm in your head. I never want to see you again! You suck! Ah!
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You just scored the game-winning goal against Cornwall. Say something.
Mom? Dad?
Wow, that was really something.
Thanks, Dad.
Did all this to play soccer?
I told you, it's important to me.
If Viola was here pretending to be you, where were you?
Oh, he was, actually...
I was in London playing my music.
London?
It was important to me.
Now, you know you should call before you go overseas.
Why don't we go to dinner? As a family? Maybe tomorrow?
Suppose I could fit that in. Would you like to have my cell phone number?
Let me give you my email.
Yay! Oh,
Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, there's somebody I want you to officially meet. Sebastian Hastings, Olivia Lennox.
It's very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, would you like
Eunice?
Toby?
I have something to say. I think you are amazing. And I'm not ashamed of it.
I know tricks.
Oh, Eunice.
When you came to me with your bad dreams and your fears, was easy to see you've been crying. Seems like everywhere
Hey,
you turn,
Rooney.
catastrophe.
This is for you.
Who really promised from the dying? I could hold you in my arms. I could hold you forever.
The Stratford Junior League invites you to the 38th Annual Debutante Ball.
He still could show you. You didn't see his face.
I found the perfect dress.
Aw, thanks, Mom. But I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to wear it.
Nonsense. You don't need a man to wear a beautiful dress.
But it doesn't hurt. Viola Hastings, it would be my honor to escort you tonight.
Thanks, Paul. That's really sweet.
Caterpillars! Caterpillars, my precious caterpillars. In 20 minutes, you'll all be beautiful butterflies.
Caterpillars! Caterpillars!
You look beautiful. I gotta get some air. I didn't think you'd show up. It really means a lot to me that you're here. Say something.
I gotta turn the sprinklers on.
Sorry. Hi.
Hi.
So what brings you here?
Well, a few days ago, I kissed this girl at a kissing booth. And now, I just can't seem to stop thinking about it.
Neither can she.
Plus, I miss my roommate. I really liked him.
Well, he's writing me here. Listen, I know I should have told you who I was, but I was afraid. Sorry.
Well, you know, maybe if I'd have known you were a girl, we wouldn't have talked like we did. And got to know each other the same way. And that would have been a shame.
Just so you know, everything you told me when I was a guy just made me like you so much more as a girl.
Okay, but just from here on in, everything would just be a lot easier if you stayed a girl.
I promise.
Monique Valentine, escorted by Justin Drayton. Olivia Lennox, escorted by Sebastian Hastings. Viola Hastings, escorted by Paul Antonio. Viola Hastings. Typical. But where is she?
Shaking cold, these hands are meant to hold. They do, babe. When all you gotta keep is strong. Move along like I know you do. And even when your hope is gone, move along, just to make it through. Move along. Gotta keep it strong. Move along like I know you do. And And even when your hope is gone, move along, just to make it through.